Hi, I am Amalie Schaefer. I am with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and today I'm going to go over dark mode and how to set that for your ClickUp account. So all you do is come down here to the circles. We're going to go to my settings, and hold on, sorry, my face is in the way. Go down here under preferences. And high contrast is also a mode that you can put in. So if you just toggle it over, so let's toggle over dark mode right here. And then I'm just going to hit save changes. So now they'll be in the dark mode. And if you want it, let me go back in so I can show you what it all looks. So this is what it looks like if it's in dark mode. So if we want to switch it back, we just go back to my settings, scroll down to preferences, and uncheck dark mode, and it'll turn it off. It's that simple. Again, my name is Amalie. I'm with Systematic Excellence Consulting, and that is how you set dark mode. Make sure you subscribe to catch future quick tips and tricks for using ClickUp. If you are stuck and needing some additional support with getting things set up in ClickUp, or you have a project or a process that you're not quite sure how to put it in and organize it in ClickUp, you can schedule a free discovery call using the link below. Thank you for watching.